Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this short video I'll be showing you how you can make a really useful chisel rack or tool rack just out of some scrap 40mm PVC pipe and some scrap CLS 2x3 timber. A while ago I made this chisel rack which works well. I've got a video about this if you're interested in watching it. I'll leave a link in the description for that video. I've got 4 chisels in here and some files. But I have another set of chisels, as you can see here. This is a 6-piece set, and this set has some larger chisels in it going up to 38mm, and that design doesn't work so well for the larger chisels because of the width of the blades. So I'm going to do a different design using some scrap 2x3 CLS timber and some 40mm scrap PVC pipe, and the idea is that I'm going to drill with a Forstner bit the same diameter as the pipe down into the wood and set sections of pipe into the wood so that the handles of the chisels have somewhere to slot into. And the idea is that the handles will slot in like so, leaving a little lip here to grab the chisel out, keeping them all neat and secure together. So the first thing to do was to mark out the length of the rack on this piece of 2x3, and I went with 33 centimeters because I want 6 4cm pipes plus a centimeter in between each pipe plus 2 centimeters spare at each end, so that I can add a pilot hole at each end to attach it to a wall. So that totals to 33 centimeters, and then using the ruler I could space everything out. Then with a combination square I could find the centre of the 2x3 and mark that on each area where a pipe's going to go, and then I could find the centre of each section. And then with the speed square I could draw a cross and get a nice central point ready to drill the holes out. And then I used an awl just to mark out where the holes are going to go. Then again with the speed square I transferred the markings onto the front of this piece of wood, and then found another centre point ready to make some marks for the holes later on either side to attach it to a wall. Now I'm going to be using a 40mm diameter Forstner bit in the drill press and drill out each section to a depth of around 2.5 centimeters. And then I could drill the 2 pilot holes, one either side. Finally I cut out this shape on the miter saw. And I marked up the lengths of pipe, which are around 9 centimeters long, and again I cut them out on the miter saw using a stock block to get them all nice and consistent. and that left a bit of a rough edge, so I just used a knife to clean up the edges of the pipe. And then just gave them a quick sanding down on a flat surface to remove any rough parts. And a quick hand sanding, and I went round each hole just to prevent any splintering. Now I've got the main body of the chisel rack complete, and the 6 pieces of pipe are all cut and ready to be put in. I'm just going to give it a quick coat of paint because there's lines on here and it is a bit of scrap wood, just to make it look a bit nicer, and then I'll get the pipes in. And then finally a coat of lacquer. Now to add the pipes in, because the holes are exactly the same diameter as the pipe, it's a really tight fit, so I use the vise to push them in, squeeze them in nice and tight. There's no need for glue here, and as you can see I got a nice tight fit. So that's the chisel rack finished. Now I'm going to mount it on the wall, up high, out of the way, so it's nice and safe, so you can't accidentally touch the tops of these. I wouldn't suggest using this just on a desk like this, just for safety reasons. You want to get these ends of the chisels up high out of the way so you don't accidentally touch them. But as you can see, it works well. It's a nice snug fit, just enough room in there. They're quite wide, the handles on these chisels, so pretty much all chisels I think will fit in 40mm diameter pipe. Keeps them all neat and tidy together. No glue or anything required to get these pipes in. It fits really snug and tight and upright. So now I'm just going to get it on the wall. Okay, so there you have it, a nice sturdy little useful chisel rack. As you can see, all my chisels now are neat and tidy on the wall, up out the way, safe and secure. If you have some scrap PVC pipe and some scrap CLS, why not make this yourself? And if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.